got my coffee from downstairs in the lobby. Wow, throwback, you guys. Yes, I'm wearing glasses. Do I need these as prescription? No. Did I want to put them on this morning because I was in a mood? Yes. I do feel like, because I've worn glasses most of my life since 4th, 3rd grade, it's a security blanket. Like, I've had my eyes lasered, obviously, but I still like to wear glasses from time to time. It's just like that shield that makes me feel comfortable. I don't know, very weird. Just having a little bit of a self-reflection this morning with my coffee. But one thing I do first thing in the morning, since today I thought for Vlogmas I would show you a typical morning routine, my real morning routine, and that basically is me throwing on workout clothes. Sorry, it does not want to focus because my tree is literally too lit. And like most mornings, I'm either listening to Ariana Grande or Majid Jordan. It is so cold outside and it's early in the morning. So I'm gonna do some future journaling. I'm gonna link below how to journal, why to journal, so I don't have to reiterate that. But I was hoping I would complete this journal by the end of the year, but it's only about halfway written through. This is just something that allows me to set the base for a fantastic day, and I've talked about it before. If you haven't journaled, you need to start, even if it's just half a page, one sentence a day, just reflecting on one thing that you're grateful for, you know? So I probably spend as long as I feel like, as long as I feel like journaling. Some days it'll be one full page. I try to do at least one full page at a time. Sometimes I'm really in the flow and I'm really creative and I just start manifesting things, so it'll be like 4 pages, you know. It just depends. I just go wherever the pen takes me, and sometimes I can't stop writing. So I like to do this in the morning, sitting outside. It's not very sunny, but getting that fresh air really helps me just breathe a little bit and wake up and just start my day the best way I can. I also have my coffee here, so I'll sip on that, and I have my playlist as well, which I just put on pause for you guys. But do what makes you feel comfortable. If it's sitting outside, or if you live by the beach, go sit on the sand, or cuddle up, snuggle up in your bed with your dog. Whatever floats your boat, wherever you feel comfortable, do it. My morning definitely has some sort of a pickup routine. It's not an insane hour-long cleaning session, but for me to have a constant flow in my day, my space needs to be vlog ready. Okay, you guys see everything in the background? This is not it. So I'm going to pick up a little bit, probably do like 10 to 15 minutes in the morning, just to make sure we have a nice flow in our day. Sports bra is from Target, you guys, and then my leggings are from Fabletics. Super old, but they will get the job done, you guys. And then my hoodie is from Lounge, which is not really for working out, but I need more workout hoodies. So this is when I like to, part of my routine is to turn on my headphones, put them on, and then I listen to a workout. Oh, the sun's coming out. I listen to a playlist to get me going, and then I listen to it while I take my pre-workout, so that way I'm like really pumped up. I don't know, I'm weird, but listen, do whatever it is that you have to do to get your butt to the gym, whether it be dancing around to Ariana Grande. Is that time for pre-workout. So this is basically my miniature GNC where I keep all of my fitness essentials. I even keep my vitamins separated because there's so many of them in this little thing, so love that. But I'm just gonna take my pre-workout today. And you know what, I kind of want to mix a little bit of my collagen in with it because I don't feel like I've been taking my collagen enough. Personally, I do prefer capsules of collagen, but since I have this, I want to use it up. So I've already got a little bit of water in my shaker bottle. So let's get that mixed together. See if this concoction is going to be any good. I feel like I need a lot of pre-workout today, guys. Listen, it just be like that. That was a lot. Oh my god, I might regret that later, but you know, it's okay. It is okay. And I'll just do a little bit of collagen. I just need this for my skin health, like this much. Doesn't really have any flavor to it, but I'll link my supplements down below for you guys. Up. Some of you guys ask, why don't I fill it all the way up with water? I don't like to have a lot of liquid in my stomach when I'm working out and stuff, so, and I don't mind the taste of it, so less is more in my opinion. That's also why I like these miniature shaker bottles compared to the full-size ones, and it also fits in my bag perfectly, so I'll link a mini shaker bottle like this in the down bar so you guys can get one for yourselves. Hopefully this is a good combination because I'll start doing it more. Oh yeah, you can't even taste the collagen. My candle because I'm trying to relax. I don't know about you, but this is my favorite way to just chill a little bit, is to have that ambiance. This one is the fireside candle. You guys know I love it. I just got back from taking Lee out and I got a PR package from Ole Henriksen, quickly becoming my new favorite skincare, you guys. I'm gonna actually hop in the shower in like 2.5 seconds to show you guys my little routine afterwards, but I'm so excited. This is a cleanser and it's their Truth Juice Daily Cleanser, which is just in time because I needed a new facial wash. It helps remove dirt, oil, long wear eye makeup, deeply cleanses and invigorates the skin. Oh, I'm all about that. So once I open this up and try it out, I'll keep you guys posted on that. So shout out to Ole Henriksen for sending this out to your girl. Woo, okay, Okay, post shower cozy clothes. Guys, I've been living in this little set from Target. So I'm gonna do my 11-step skincare routine. For those of you guys that don't know what that is, I'm gonna link my video down below where I go into detail. So basically everything I have for the most part is just out here. The things that I do that are new is I use a gua sha stone to help all my products sink into my skin, and it also allows me to get rid of inflammation and all of that stuff that is not nice. I have been living and loving my Ulla Hendrickson, I don't know why I always feel like I have to say it like that, but their Sea Rush brightening cream. This is great for day and nighttime. I'm also living for their dark spot toner. This stuff is amazing. I definitely feel like it's helping me get rid of my red marks and stuff that I have going on. Oh my god, I'm so pale. Ugh. Honestly, I feel my sexiest in summer when I'm like bronzed and glowy. Right now, this is not it. Also living and loving my Osea hydrating oil. This stuff is amazing. It's about halfway gone, but it's my go-to. And then also recently I've been using the Glam Glow Bright Eyes Eye Cream. Loving this as well, a part of my routine. So I'll link these newer items in the description box for you guys in case you are looking to pick up some new skincare goodies that, you know, you want to try out. I definitely recommend them. I feel like I've been using them long enough to tell you I abs with them. Water, yes. Wow, this is my leftovers. I heated up some peas because I was in the mood for that. No, I am not gonna eat all of this spaghetti, you guys. That is way too much pasta for me. Probably eat like a third of it. And whatever else I don't finish will go back into the meal prep container for another meal. Right, Lily? Why is it you only come around when I have food? I don't know. All right, you guys, I've made myself some hot tea. This one is the Refreshment by Tazo. I have a voiceover to record, so as you guys know, tea makes me just sound a little bit more relaxed during those edits. And I'm only saying that because you've already seen my what a day in the work life of an influencer is like vlog, but I'm waiting for my video to upload before I start processing another edit. But I did want to say goodbye for this Vlogmas. It is not the morning anymore. It is actually 2 p.m. I just got carried away with work and everything, and I was like, let me do an outro so we can start editing this Vlogmas. Excuse me. Okay, I guess this is how I'm gonna finish up my work. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas. You're so cute, I can never tell you no.